Very good morning to all of you. Today I came with a bunch of MCQs related to general knowledge and current affairs, which are very important for various nursing entrance exams, including Rajasthan CHO. So let's start our today's question session. Our first question says, Rajasthan state was formed on, so here our right answer is on 30 March 1949. Okay, C is the right answer. Next question. Which district of Rajasthan highest literacy percentage is Kota? Okay, A is the right answer. Next question. Who is the current health minister of Rajasthan? So here our right answer is Raghu Sharma. Okay, A is the right answer. Next question. Who is the current chief minister of Rajasthan? So here our right answer is Ashok Gehlot. Okay, B is the right answer. Next question. Who is the current education minister of Rajasthan? So here our right answer is Govind Singh Dodasra. Okay, this is the right answer. Next question. In which country is the headquarters of the World Bank located? So here our right answer is USA. Okay, United States of America. Next question. When is the Hiroshima Day observed? So here our right answer is on August 6. Okay, C is the right answer. Next question. The headquarters of SAARC is, so here our right answer is Kathmandu. Okay, D is the right answer. Next question. Under which article Jammu and Kashmir has been given special status? Here our right answer is under 370 article. Okay. Next question. Which article of the Indian Constitution is a Dr. B.R. Ambedkar called the heart and soul of the Indian? The right answer is Article 32. Okay, it is known as the heart and soul of the Indian Constitution. Okay. Next question. Value of the total goods and services produced in the country. It's here right answer is it is called gross domestic product. A is the right answer. Next question. This personality is known as the father of economics. Can you identify him from the given option? So here our right answer is Adam Smith. Okay, it is known as father of economics. Okay. Next question. The COVID-19 RT-PCR test kits of which Indian company has received the validations from the drug controller? Or right answer is MyLab. Okay, A is the right answer. Next question. As per the recent data of NPCL, which mode of the payment clocked 1.62 billion transactions in the August 2020? So here our right answer is UPI. Okay, A is the right answer. Next question. India has finished a deal with which country for manufacturing the AK-47 203 rifle in India? So here our right answer is Russia. Okay, C is the right answer. Next question. As per the Times Higher Education World University Ranking 2021, which is the only Indian institute to be the list of top 350 university? So here our right answer is IISc. Okay. Next question. Who is the president of Indian Institute of Public Administration? Okay, IIPA. So here our right answer is vice president. C is the right answer. Next question. The first ever cannabis medicine project is to be the setup in which state? So here our right answer is in Jammu and Kashmir. Okay. Next question. What is the name of a naval exercise that is being held between the India and Russia? It is Indra Navy. Okay. A is the right answer. Next question. Who is the head of committee constituted by the RBI regarding reconstructing of loans impacted by COVID? So here our right answer is KV Kamath. Okay, C is the right answer. Next question. Which Indian movies has won the Best Screenplay Award at the Venice Film Festival 2020? So here our right answer is The Disciple. Okay. Next question. Who has been conferred with the Lifetime Achievement Award by the Euromoney? So here our right answer is Aditya Puri. Okay. Next question. A Promised Land is the book being penned by which famous personality? So here our right answer is Barack Obama. Okay, B is the right answer. Next question. Which airline is the first Indian carrier to offer a Wi-Fi inside the flight? So here our right answer is Vistara. Okay, it is the first airline to carrier to offer a Wi-Fi inside the flights. Okay. Next question. Which of the following is the only country to which India has provided the financial assistance by purchasing its treasury bond? So here our right answer is Maldives. Okay, C is the right answer. Next question. Which mountain climber is also known as snow leopard? So here our right answer is Aang Rita Sherpa. Okay, it is also known as snow leopard. Next question. Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana is a scheme to bring which among the following revolution? So here our right answer is Blue Revolution. It is related to fishery. Okay. Next question. The Prime Minister is going to release the fourth installment of the PM Kisan Samman Nidhi. What is the purpose of a scheme? So here our right answer is income support for a farmer. Okay. Next question. Which is the most polluted city in India according to Greenpeace India's recent report? So here our right answer is Jharia. Okay. Next question. As per the annual Nature Ranking Index 2020, which Indian institute is ranked in the first place in the country? So here our right answer is Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, CSIR. Okay. Next question. What is the rank of India in a Heritage Foundation Index of Economical Freedom 2020? So here our right answer is 120th rank. Okay. Next question. What is the rank of India in the World Bank's 2020 Human Capital Index? So here our right answer is 160. Okay. Next question. Which Indian state topped the Export Preparedness Index 2020 released by the Niti Aayog? So here our right answer is Gujarat. Okay. Next question. Which Indian city is said to host the International Aviation Exhibition Wings India 2020? So here our right answer is Hyderabad city. C is the correct option. Next question. Which Indian city was the host to the National Water Conference 2020? So here our right answer is Bhopal. C is the correct option. Next question. As of the 2020, the largest cricket stadium of the world is located in which country? So here our right answer is in India. Okay, Sardar Patel Stadium. It is the largest world's cricket stadium. Okay. Next question. The world's largest COVID care center has been inaugurated in which Indian state? So here our right answer is in New Delhi. Okay. Next question. Bronx Zoo, where the tiger was tested positive for a COVID-19 for the first time in the world, is located in which country? United States, US. Next question. Which river of Rajasthan is known as the Vanki Asa, hope of the forest? So here our right answer is Banas. Okay. Next question. Total number of districts in Rajasthan. So here our correct answer is 33. Next question. Which district of Rajasthan has been nicknamed the Golden City? So here our right answer is Jaisalmer. Okay. largest city of Rajasthan? It is Jaipur. Okay, C is the correct option. So here we finish our bunch of MCQs related to the general knowledge and current affair, okay, which are important for all CHU exam and other nursing exams like AIIMS, JIPMER, EICC, okay. And if you get benefit from this GK MCQ series, then please share with your friend and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.